Grayson, you doing tummy time? What are you doing? You happy boy? You like tummy time? You gonna roll for us? You're kind of on the side of the couch. You gonna go? Roll. Hi. Yeah, that was a good hi. Rolling over. Lift up that arm. That's right. You got it. Sorry, I put you right on the crease. I guess it's making it easier, though. Good job. Who got to their side? Who got to their side? Isn't my happy baby boy? Good morning, everyone. We're doing morning tummy time. And we're rolling over, apparently. Yeah, there you go, there you go. And you're in a crease, too. That's hard. Good job. Who's Mommy's happy boy? Oh. Say good morning. Yeah. Good job rolling over. You're stuck now, huh? Mama help you. Bye.